this up. He's gonna do a run. I'm gonna back up. How old is this? Đó Hoài. That's a restored tractor. I'll tell you more about it later. It's his dad's from the old Vantreight farm in Saanich. Đó, look kìa. Dạ cứ đi bên. Dạ, Hoài ra tên. Here he comes back. Amazing. Love this tractor. Thank you. Ta-da! How old is this tractor?
This tractor was made in 1948. My dad bought it in 1948 for $1,250.
And how long did it take you to restore and the cost?
It took 6 months to restore the driveline, replace all the tires, repaint it all about 25 years ago, and it was $26,000.
What a price differential from the time he bought it and then bringing it back to life.
And we wanted to do that for our dad before he passed away. So now I have it.
Yes. And you're using it. Which is, this is the great thing. It's still being used.
Yep.
I know, Dad.